Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will look at a brief introduction of the MariaDB server and then install and test the server. So MariaDB server is one of the most popular open source relational databases. It is made by the original developers of MySQL and it is guaranteed to stay open source. To download MariaDB server, go to mariadb.org, click on this download button. You will be directed to this page. So here you can select your preferred MariaDB server version, the operating system that you are using, the architecture, and your preferred package type. So once you have selected all your preferred specifications, click on the download button. So I've already downloaded it on my machine. Right click on the installer, click install, click on next, accept the terms, click next, click next. So here you can set a new password. I'll just uncheck this, then click next, click next. So if you get this prompt, just select a new TCP port, let's say 3308. Click on next and then install. Click on finish. Once the installation is complete, the next step will be to add the installation path to the system variables. So navigate to the installation location, program files, MariaDB, then bin. So click on this down arrow, then Ctrl C to copy the path. Then on the Windows search bar type edit. Click on this. Click on environment variables. Then here on the system variable, scroll to path variable. Double click on it. Click new and then paste the path that we copied. Click OK. OK. And then OK. To test this, we will open command prompt. Run as administrator. So here we will type MySQL -u for username, and then -p for password, and then click enter. Enter your password. So here you can enter your password, but since I left mine empty, I'll just click enter. Let's test this. So you can see now that our MariaDB server is up and running.